Hello everyone, myself Professor Vaibhavi Uttarwar from KK Wag College of Food Technology, Nasik. So guys, we are learning the subject that is the legumes and oilseed technology. So before this, I have explained various topics of legumes and oilseeds in my previous video. So you must check that videos, and after that you can watch this video. So now we were learning about the oil processing or extraction of oil. So this is the last video of oil extraction process. So in that we are going to see what is a solvent extraction process in detail. So be connected with me throughout the video. So solvent extraction. So before solvent extraction, we have seen mechanical expression in my previous video. Now we will go for solvent extraction. So solvent extraction is the most efficient method of oil recovery from oil bearing materials. It is particularly advantageous for processing of those oil or oil bearing materials which are having low oil capacity or which are containing very less oil. For example, mango kernels, rice bran oil, etc. So this can be followed, means this can be carried out through solvent extraction. So extraction is the process of separating a liquid from a solid system with the use of a solvent. Also, extraction is the process of diffusion with the help of low boiling point solvent. The solvent extraction method requires the use of organic solvent to recover the oil from the products. So what is the basic principle behind the solvent extraction process? So all of you know about this, but then also I am explaining what is the principle of solvent extraction. So solvent extraction principle is nothing but as like it is a like dissolve likes. Okay, so whatever the substance which are dissolved, the substance which are same as like them, so that is nothing but the likes dissolve likes. So this is the basic principle of solvent extraction. So the solvent extraction method involves the use of organic solvents such as hydrocarbon, alcohols and ketones to recover the oil from the sources. The most common solvent used in India is N-hexane, having boiling point of 65.5 degrees Celsius. Solvent extraction is capable of removing nearly all available oil from the oilseed or nuts. About 98 to 99% is oil extracted from the process of solvent extraction. In this process, the solvent is poured to the well prepared material, followed by diffusion of oil solvent mixture to the surface of solid for the recovery of oil. The oil is separated from the mixture of oil and hexane called as micella by distillation and stripping under the vacuum. The extracted meal having hexane is desolvenized by the heating with the steam in desolventizer. So in next slide we have a simple image of solvent extraction. At that time you will clearly get what is exact. So this meal is known as de-oiled cake and it contains about less than 1% of residual oil. So basically the solvent extraction plants are either batch or in continuous type. However, the continuous counter-current percolation systems are more popular in use because of its better efficiency. So this is a simple plant or simple diagram of solvent extraction process where you will get easily how the oil is working, means how the oil is extracted through this process. So first block of that is of yellow color where there is a flex or cake, it is written. So the next step after the flaking, there is an extractor. The first step is of oil extraction is nothing but the conditioning and flaking process. Why conditioning and flaking process? Because during flaking, whatever the surface area of that seed, it is increases, and due to that the contact between the hexane or contact between the solvent and the solute is increased and oil extraction will be more. So efficiency increases due to increase in contact of the surface. So flaking is carried out. So next step, there is a machine or equipment used, that is extractor. So in extractor, whatever the solvent we are going to use, it is poured in the cake or in the flakes, and there is some hesitation is carried out, and little bit temperature is also raised. So so due to that, there is a contact of hexane and that flakes is carried out, and due to that, what was our principle, that is like dissolves like. So due to that, hexane dissolves the material which are same as like hexane. So here there is a, we can consider fat as like hexane. So it dissolves or it extracts the fat in hexane, and at bottom there is a one name is given in brown color box is shown. So it called as micella. So micella is what, it is a mixture of oil and hexane which we are going to collect. And the next step, there is a, again one box is shown of yellow color, and in that the cake meal is separated from micella. So at bottom we can collect the micella, and in next step we can, means after separating micella and cake, the cake are shown in desolventizer. So desolventizer is what, it is a machine which involves separation of solvent from the cake meal with the help of temperature. So as we know, the temperature or boiling temperature of hexane or solvent is less, it is already mentioned. So about 65 degrees Celsius it is mentioned. So in desolventizer, what they are doing, they are they are raising the temperature of that container, and because of that, whatever the solvent is present in that meal, it get evaporated, and it is condensed in another unit. And at that time, when it is condensed in another unit, it is again again used for the next cycle of oil extraction. And whatever meal is extracted or leave, means left in that container, it is gone for further process. So how the meal is used, that also I am going to explain. So this is all about meal extraction. And now what is micella? So micella is the mixture of oil and solvent. So again, here there is a distillation process is carried out. So in distillation process, there is a again raising temperature of that micella, and whatever the solvent is present, so temperature, boiling temperature of solvent is very less than the oil. So whatever oil is present, it is left in that container, and solvent, it is evaporated and it is recondensed in another unit. So the, in desolventizer and condenser, so whatever the solvent is collected, it is again further used for the next cycle of that oil extraction. And whatever oil is left after distillation process, it is means it is a further uh, gone for refining process. The oil which is collected, it called as crude oil, and after refining process, it is a edible. So now this is a complete process of solvent extraction process. So the solvent from the distillation and the stripping column, as well as from the desolventizer, it is condensed and recovered and stored in the storage tank. And again, after storing tank, they are used for the next batch of oil extraction. Solvent extraction plants are expensive, only suitable for large volume, which justify the capital cost of equipment. There is also possibilities of toxicity from the solvent used, and the danger of fire explosion from the use of volatile organic solvent. In addition to the high yield of oil, the method produces oil with the better qualities and high protein meal. So that is our end product, as already I have mentioned. Again we will see the picture. So after desolventizer, there is one yellow color shown, which is a final cake meal we will found after the extraction of fat. It also called as defatted cake meal. So it is used for, means it has many uses. Also, the protein content of these oilseed meals ranges from 20 to 50% depending upon the type of oilseed we are used. Oilseed extraction can be placed in three categories based on their protein content. That is, high protein meals include those of soybean, groundnut, sesame, about 40 to 50% protein they are having. Then the second one, that is the meals of Niger, rapeseed, mustard proteins, which are having 30 to 40% of protein. And after that, lower protein containing, that is 20 to 30%. So proteins, means we know that proteins are necessary for physical and mental growth as well as for maintenance of good health and vigor. So that's why we can use the protein of this meal also. The also the pattern of utilization of oil seed meals is at present is like about 70 to 72% is used for animal feed, 17% for export, 11% as for manure. So there is need for changing this pattern, I think. Apart from increasing our exports, the meals can be upgraded for human food consumption as it is safe one. That's why also the products that may be considered as a protein isolate or protein hydrolysate, amino acids. So these can be used in the commercial production of weak or in also infant foods. Low cost protein flours can be means we can be prepared from these meals, and which can be used for the further means value additions in various products. So that's why whatever the meal which is extracted from the oil extraction, it is a very important and very useful one. So this is a complete process of solvent extraction process. If anyone has doubt or any question, you can ask me in comment box. Be connected with me for the next videos. We will learn about the refining process of oil in our next video. Thank you so much, guys. So this is all about our chapter of extraction of oil. Thank you.